Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ikonkar Coding. In this video, we discuss how to traverse a linked list. This video is in continuation of the previous video, that is how to insert the node at the beginning of the linked list. So in the previous video, we discussed how these four functions are called and the linked list is created in this way. So head has a value 5000. Now head point to the element 40. Then here we have next pointer. In the next pointer, what value will store? 4000 will store. So that's why it point to next node which has a value 4000. And here in the next pointer 3000 will store. And here in the next pointer 2000 will store. And that's why they point to the next node. And the last node have null pointer in the next pointer because this one is the last node. So now we have to traverse this linked list. Now the thing is how to traverse the linked list. So for traversing the linked list, I create a pointer of name temp. I require a temporary pointer. Okay. Now temporary pointer point to the first node. It means this temporary pointer hold the address of the node. That's why this pointer is of which type? This pointer is of a node type. So I write here struct node star temp. Okay. And right now temp is empty. Right now temp is empty here. Okay. Now I enter the value in temp variable by writing temp is equal to head. When I write temp is equal to head, now what is the value of head? Head has a value 5000. So 5000 will store here. Okay. Now I discuss the code how we display the elements of the linked list. So for displaying, now I create a function of name display all node. Okay. So this is a function for traversing a linked list. Okay. This is just a message. The list contains the data enters. Okay. So first I create a temporary pointer. This pointer is of node type pointer because temporary pointer point to the first node. And temp has a value head, that's I write previously. Okay. Now here I give the condition while temp is not equal to null. Now what is the value of temp here? Temp has a value 5000 here. Okay. 5000 is not equal to null, condition true or false? Condition true. Okay. So after this control go here. Now temp has a value 5000. Now we write cout temp of num. Temp of num means 5000 of num. What is the value of 5000 of num? 5000 of num. 5000 of num has a value 40. So it means 40 will display in the output. Okay. After this, temp is equal to temp of next. So what is the value of temp here? 5000. 5000 of next. 5000 of next is 4000. You can check. What is the value of 5000 of next? 5000 of next is 4000. That's why I write the value 4000. Now again, now here right now temp has the value 4000. Now again we check the condition. Now here temp has a value 4000. 4000 is not equal to null, condition true. So now cout. Now temp has a value 4000. So 4000 of num. 4000 of num. What is the value 4000 of num? 4000 of num has a value 30. It means 30 will display. After this, now temp has a value 4000. Now temp is equal to temp of next means 4000 of next means 3000. Okay. Now temp has a value 3000 because 4000 of next has a value 3000. Okay. It means now temp has a value. Now temp point to which location? Temp point to this 3000 location because temp has the value right now 3000. Okay. Now again we check the condition. Okay. Again we check the condition while temp is not equal to null. Now right now temp has a value 3000. 3000 is not equal to null, condition true. Now cout temp of num. Now temp has a value 3000. 3000 of num. What is the value of 3000 of num? 3000 of num is 20. It means 20 will display. Okay. After this, temp is equal to temp of next. So 3000 of, now temp has a value here 3000. 3000 of next beta, that is 2000. Now temp is updated by 2000. Okay, because 3000 of next is 2000. That's why. So after this, again we check the condition. Okay, again we check this condition while temp is not equal to null. Now temp has a value 2000. 2000 is not equal to null. Condition 2. Now see out temp of num. Now temp has a value 2000. Now 2000 of num. What's the value of 2000 of num? 2000 of num is, num has a value 10. It means 10 also display. After this, temp is equal to temp of next. 2000 of next has a value null. Now temp has a value null. Okay. Now again we check the condition. Now null is not equal to null. Now because temp has a value after 2000, here we have null. Null is not equal to null. Condition false. Okay. So I hope all elements, so control will not go inside the while loop, so all these elements will display. So I hope all of you clear. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you all.